Hello and welcome to my second tutorial on how to use SketchUp. Today I'll be showing you how to make a complete sphere and also how to use the follow me tool over here. So let's get started with the sphere. Sphere is kind of a basic object. So what you do is make a big circle as big as you want the sphere to be. I'm just gonna make it really big. Then orbit around it until it's kind of flat here, as you can see. Then you're going to want to get it right in the center and start dragging it out. Just make sure that the circle you make isn't bigger than the circle around it. So that's just perfect because when I orbit, you can see that it's not bigger. So now with the follow me tool, you're going to be using this. Click on the path you want, because you want the circle to spin around to make it look like a sphere. So that's the path it's going to go around. And click on that, and then that's just the path, and then click the follow me tool and click on the outer one. That makes a full sphere. And if you go to view and where is it? Maybe it's not here. Okay, let me just look around. If you go into X-ray mode, which will be somewhere here, I can't seem to find it right now, but if you go into X-ray mode, which you will find somewhere here, here, it's in style of the faces. You go to X-ray mode. You see here that there's this sort of oval in the middle. That's actually the circle you usually use. Click on that and then delete it. Then once you're back there, go back to the styles and click that again, so you're back out of it. So that's how to make a full sphere. Now, if you want it to be more of an oval shape, you have the scale tool over here that looks like that on my mouse. You have the big circle and you take one side and you drag it. See? There. Now it's undone. Now you have sort of an egg shape now. Sort of an egg shape, as you can see. It's not a real... Watch. See? That's what it looks like from the top. That's from the edge. So that's just to make a circle that can be helpful. Also, what the follow me tool actually does is it follows you, basically. I mean, according to its name anyway. I'm gonna make this, I'm just gonna show you on a rectangle how it can actually help. So push pull tool, pull it up a bit. Then on the, you're gonna zoom in a bit, orbit around, or if you want, you can just do that directly. And then just zoom in a bit, and then with the arc, go from there to there until it's pink. And you'll see slowly drag it until that gets pink too. So if it says tangent to the edge or whatever it says tangent. That's all I know. You click, and that means it's not going out. Now make sure it's pink when you click. Then you're gonna wanna orbit a bit more around it, so like that. And then you're gonna click on the path you want it to go on. So click only the top one, and then the follow me tool, click, see? Now if I orbit around it, you see I have like this deviled edge. You see I have this rounded edge. So, and I'm gonna show you something else you can do with the follow me tool, which is really nice. It's really cool. Then with the rectangle tool, as you can see here, you just make a tiny rectangle. It shouldn't be so big. Then from there, you're gonna want to make a line. No. From there to there about. And then you're gonna want to click this part and cut it off. And these two lines too. So you want to get rid of those. So you have this. And so if you orbit a bit around, you're going to have the bottom face. Click on the bottom face, select tool. Select the bottom face and then use the follow me tool, click that. Now, this looks really cool. It's like a bottom thing. And if it turns blue, what you can actually do to make it not turn blue is select what you want to select. No, not that. That all the way around. You also select these and the edge. Okay, there, and then you right click it. Okay, here, you're gonna have this, it says inverse the faces. Click that, and now, look, it's white, because that can be really, like, I just find it not nice. It's just a blue contrast on that. I just don't find it very nice. So that's basically what the follow me tool does. Let me also show you a cool kind of thing. So you're gonna need the line tool. Just draw like a line and then going straight up. And just draw like a scribble. It can actually be going anywhere. Up like that, and then from there to there. Exactly that. And then maybe do this to here. And do that. And then make a... No, not a rectangle. You're only gonna need lines for this. You don't actually... And also a good idea thing to remember. These lines shouldn't be crossing each other. They should just be lines. Yeah. Okay, now we have some random set of lines. You also might want to make some on the ground because this is going to be helpful. We can maybe just put it there. So escape, and now you're going to need a circle tool. Just pan around a bit. The circle tool, you're going to stick it to here, but the important thing is that it's going directly upwards. So with a circle tool, if I can get to click on it, there, exactly, like that. How thick do you want it? I'm just gonna make it about this thick, and then click on the triple click on this. Okay, there you have your path marked. Then click the follow me tool and click on that. Ow! Wow, that's amazing. Look what it does. And I have a shortcut to X-ray mode that I'll show you right now. So if you go to SketchUp, preferences or settings, you go to at the bottom, there's this. You have to find X-ray mode, which I'll find for you. Where is it? Ah, here. So you have to see view. It's in the view, style of the faces, and transparency. And if you just click on it, I just entered X. So, oh sorry. You press. Oh sorry. And don't press don't press Shift, because then every time you're gonna have to press Shift X, Shift X. Just press X, and there, fine, it's done. Now if I press X, I can see the X-ray, and you can get rid of this. Sorry. I don't want that. Delete. Okay, now you have no mark on the inside. See? Perfect, huh? Very nice. So now you know how to use the follow me tool, and well, have fun.